Welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs and business strategists, to the Book MBA channel. Today, we're dissecting a book that is an absolute goldmine for anyone looking to understand the diverse landscape of value creation: 100 Business Models. This isn't just a list, it's a masterclass in how companies, from the smallest startups to the global giants, generate revenue, deliver value, and sustain themselves in the marketplace. Think of it this way. Every successful enterprise, no matter how simple or complex, operates on a fundamental business model. It's the blueprint of how they work. And this book, 100 Business Models, systematically breaks down the most prevalent and innovative of these blueprints, offering insights that are both practical and profoundly strategic. We're going to dive deep, exploring not just what these models are, but why they work, how they've evolved, and where their true power lies. So grab your notebooks, because your business acumen is about to get a serious upgrade. Let's begin with the foundational categories that anchor these 100 models. The book masterfully organizes them, allowing us to see patterns and connections. One of the most intuitive categories is the product-centric models. This is where most businesses start. It's about creating something tangible or intangible and selling it. Think about the traditional retail model, where a business purchases goods and resells them at a markup. Simple, timeless, and still incredibly powerful. But within this, the book introduces nuances like the wholesale model, where you sell in bulk to other businesses, or the drop-shipping model, which minimizes inventory risk by having a third party fulfill orders directly to the customer. Each variation offers distinct advantages and challenges. Moving beyond simple sales, we encounter service-centric models. Here, the value isn't a physical product, but an action, expertise, or experience. The classic consulting model, where you sell your knowledge and advice, falls squarely here. But so does the agency model, offering specialized services like marketing or design, often on a retainer or project basis. The book also highlights models like maintenance and repair services, essential for durable goods, or personal services, ranging from coaching to cleaning. The key here is that your primary offering is skill, time, or specialized labor. Then we have the dynamic world of subscription models. This is a powerful revenue generator based on recurring payments for continued access to a product or service. Think of your streaming services, your software subscriptions, or even physical product subscriptions like meal kits. The book details variations like software as a service, SaaS, which has revolutionized the software industry, or content subscriptions, like news outlets or exclusive online communities. The genius of the subscription model lies in its predictability of revenue and its ability to foster long-term customer relationships. Closely related, but distinct, are the usage-based models. Here, customers pay based on how much they use a product or service. This includes pay-per-use models for utilities or cloud computing, where you pay for what you consume. The book illustrates how this model can be highly attractive to customers who want flexibility and only pay for what they truly need. It's about aligning cost directly with consumption. Now, let's talk about leveraging platforms and networks. The platform models are some of the most transformative in recent decades. These businesses don't necessarily create the product or service themselves, but rather facilitate interactions between different groups. Think of marketplace models like Etsy or eBay, connecting buyers and sellers. Or social network models, where the value grows with each new user joining the community. The book unpacks the concept of network effects, where the value of the platform increases exponentially as more users join. This also extends to two-sided markets, which meticulously balance supply and demand from distinct user groups. Another fascinating category is advertising models. These businesses generate revenue by displaying advertisements. This is prevalent in media, from traditional television and radio to modern digital platforms. The book explores various ad models: display advertising, search advertising, and even native advertising, where ads are seamlessly integrated into content. The core principle is capturing audience attention and monetizing it by selling that attention to advertisers. Then we delve into freemium models. This is a clever blend, offering a basic version of a product or service for free while charging for premium features, enhanced functionality, or an ad-free experience. This model is brilliant for user acquisition, as it lowers the barrier to entry, allowing users to experience value before committing financially. The book shows how companies like Spotify and Dropbox have mastered this. Beyond these broad categories, the book highlights models driven by innovation in how value is delivered. The direct-to-consumer, D2C model, for instance, cuts out intermediaries, allowing businesses to control the entire customer experience and often offer more competitive pricing. This has been a massive trend in recent years, impacting everything from mattresses to eyewear. Consider the franchise model, a powerful way to scale a business by licensing your successful business model, brand, and operations to independent operators. This allows for rapid expansion with reduced capital outlay for the franchisor, while offering a proven business path for the franchisee. The book also shines a light on razor and blade models. This is where a primary product is sold at a low margin or even a loss to drive sales of high-margin consumables or accessories. Think of printers and ink cartridges, or coffee machines and coffee pods. It's a brilliant way to lock in repeat purchases. For businesses operating in niche markets, the niche market model focuses on serving a very specific segment of customers with highly tailored products or services. This allows for deep customer understanding and often reduces competition. And let's not forget the affiliate marketing model, where businesses pay commissions to individuals or other businesses for driving traffic or sales to their products. This is a performance-based model that leverages partnerships and influence. What truly makes 100 business models indispensable is its focus on the mechanics of each model. It doesn't just list them, it explains the value proposition. What problem does this model solve and for whom? The key activities. What does the business need to do exceptionally well to make this model work? The revenue streams. How exactly does money flow into the business? The cost structure. What are the major expenses associated with operating this model? The key resources. What assets, human or otherwise, are crucial for success? The customer segments. Who are the target customers and how are they reached? By breaking down each model into these core components, the book provides a framework for analysis and innovation. You can use these components to analyze your own business, identify potential weaknesses, or discover opportunities for growth. Furthermore, the book emphasizes that very few businesses operate on a single, pure model. Many successful companies employ hybrid models, blending elements from multiple approaches to create unique competitive advantages. For example, an e-commerce store might use a direct-to-consumer model for its primary sales, but also incorporate an affiliate marketing program, and perhaps even offer a subscription for recurring product delivery. Understanding how these models can be combined is where true strategic mastery lies. The real power of this book isn't just in knowing the 100 models, but in developing the muscle to identify, analyze, and even invent new models. It encourages you to think beyond your current industry and consider how successful models from one sector could be adapted and applied to another. For instance, could a usage-based model traditionally applied to utilities be adapted for a software product? Could a franchise model be used to scale a unique personal service? The possibilities are endless once you understand the underlying principles. 100 Business Models serves as a fantastic resource for brainstorming. If you're looking to start a new venture, it offers a rich catalog of proven paths. If you're a seasoned entrepreneur, it provides fresh perspectives for optimizing your existing operations or exploring new revenue streams. It's also an invaluable tool for competitive analysis. By understanding the business models of your rivals, you can anticipate their moves, identify their vulnerabilities, and discover opportunities to differentiate yourself. In essence, 100 Business Models is more than a reference guide. It's a strategic playbook. It equips you with the vocabulary and framework to discuss, evaluate, and innovate business strategies with precision. It demystifies the complexities of revenue generation and value delivery, making the world of business more accessible and understandable. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a business student, or a seasoned executive, this book is an indispensable addition to your library. It encourages a deeper, more systematic approach to thinking about how businesses work and how they can thrive. And remember, the world of business is constantly evolving. New technologies, changing consumer behaviors, and global events continually give rise to new business models. This book provides a solid foundation, a lens through which you can interpret these changes and adapt your strategies accordingly. So the next time you encounter a new company or a groundbreaking product, don't just admire it. Ask yourself, what is their business model? How do they create and capture value? And how can I apply those insights to my own ventures? This book is your guide to answering those questions. It's your compass in the vast ocean of commerce. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into 100 business models on the Book MBA channel. We hope this summary inspires you to explore these concepts further and apply them to your own entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more invaluable business insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new lesson from the Book MBA channel.